I'm in my 30s now, and I want to stay young. Just kidding. I'm coming at you with 2 collagen mocktails. You know I love collagen. If you haven't seen my previous video, click on it. I feel like we're going to link it somewhere. So click on it. I make a collagen fudge, and I make my favorite collagen matcha latte. It's so good. Check it out. Today, I'm making a strawberry lemon granita. If you don't know what a granita is, it's a slushy, icy, delicious dessert or cocktail, whatever you want. And I'm also making sangria, faux sangria. Before I get into this, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Once you subscribe, there will be a little bell that shows up, and you can click that bell, and it'll alert you every time there's a new prep school episode. More of me. You can't get enough of this. And also, if you don't know what Thrive Market is, it's an online grocery store that sells organic and non-GMO products straight to your door. It's the best. It's the best. First recipe, a strawberry lemonade granita, and I'm using Garden of Life grass-fed collagen, and it's their beauty blend, which means it has biotin, it has vitamin C, it's type 1 and 3, which is good for the hair, skin, nails, keeping them look real young. You know me, I want to age in reverse. In a blender, I'm going to add some strawberries that I hulled, which means just I took the green tops off. I'm going to add the juice of 2 lemons, because it is a strawberry lemonade flavor. Add your preferred sweetener. You can use maple syrup. I'm using honey. You can use Swerve or Switch. Honey. And 3 cups of water. Strawberry lemonade reminds me of my childhood when we would get that powdered strawberry lemonade, mix it in water. Loved it. I'd sell it on the street. That sounded like different than I wanted it to, but like a lemonade stand. Gorge. I'm going to add 3 scoops of the grass-fed collagen beauty blend. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add some basil that I've chopped up, and I'm adding the collagen at this point and the basil at this point because it really foams up. If I blended this all together, which I have before, and it just overflowed everywhere. It's crazy. That collagen's crazy. I just want to blend this a couple times to dissolve the collagen, not too much. I have a 9x13 because I'm going to make a lasagna later. No. I'm going to strain this. It really doesn't matter. You don't need to strain it. I did it both. My hair's always in my way. You don't need to strain it. I did it both ways. This just looks a little cleaner, crisper, brighter when you strain it. I love my collagen. I'm just trying to find every single way to get collagen into my diet. Some people do bone broth, which is a great way to get collagen into your system. I love bone broth, but if that's not your steez, you're not into that, this is a great way because it's sweet. Or my matcha latte. Make it. It's so good. I'm going to pop this in the freezer for about 45 minutes. I'm going to take it out, scrape it with a fork, and do that a couple more times. I'll show you the process. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This has been in the freezer for about 45 minutes. I'll take a fork, and I'm just going to break up any larger ice chunks. I'm going to pop this back in the freezer for another 45 minutes, and then I'll take it out. I'll scrape it maybe 2, 3 more times. You want it icy and light. That's what a granita is. It's icy and light with no ice cream maker, right? Just a 9x13. The last scraping of the granita. It's ready. This is one of the easiest desserts, mocktails. Beautiful glass, because even if you're not drinking alcohol, you can still make it really pretty. Spoon it into your cup. Perfect for summer. Kind of reminds me of a strawberry daiquiri. So if you can't drink a strawberry daiquiri, you don't want to, for whatever reason, this is a good alternative. And you get that beauty collagen. That's so pretty. Garnish with basil leaf, basil sprig. And that's how easy it is to make my strawberry lemonade granita mocktail. I want to try this. Actually, I don't want to mess with this one. It's so pretty. I'm just going to try it straight from the pan because I'm a savage. Oh, cold. Not too sweet. Nice freshness from the basil and the strawberries. Tastes like strawberry lemonade from my childhood, but it's better because it has collagen in it. Stay tuned. I have one more recipe coming at you. Collagen mocktail recipe number 2. This time I'm making a sangria, and I'm using Garden of Life's Beauty Blend as well, the same collagen that I used before, but this flavor is a cranberry pomegranate. I used strawberry lemonade before. Now I'm using cranberry pomegranate. Woo, it's a mouthful. To start it off, I need a jar with 2 cups of water in it. I measured that beforehand. And I need 4 scoops of the beauty collagen. And again, radiant skin, gorgeous hair, and beautiful nails. I want all 3 of those things to all 3 of those parts of my body. Thanks, collagen. I'm doing this step, I'm not just pouring it in because I want to make sure the collagen is fully dissolved. So I'm going to shake this up. Alrighty. I have a pitcher, and there's 3 cups of water already in this pitcher. I'm going to add my collagen mixture. It smells really good. I love sangria. It reminds me of summer. I get to eat fruit with my wine, but this time I'm using collagen. I'm going to add pomegranate juice. Gives it that beautiful color. As well as blackberries. I don't want these to kerplunk everywhere. Pomegranate seeds. You can add whatever fruit you like. Often you see lemons, limes, orange slices, apples. I wanted to change it up a little, so I'm also doing peaches, the blackberries, and the pomegranate seeds. A lot of peaches. I don't think I can fit those guys in. And last but not least, mint, fresh mint. Oh, man. Okay, I did it. Who needs a bigger pitcher? You know what I mean? So I can drink this right now, but if you let it sit overnight, the flavors really infuse. The juices release some of their sweetness and some of their fruitiness, their fruit flavors, and the mint really infuses into it. But I want to try it now. This is room temp, but once it's in the fridge, it obviously gets cold. That's what I hear fridges do. They get stuff cold. But right now, you're going to be like, she's drinking room temp stuff. I don't want to put ice over it. I'm going to scoop out some of this fruit. And I have soda water that I'm just going to top it off with. I'm afraid I'm going to spill this. Light, refreshing. Collagen's working real quick. This is really good, and I think it's a great summer mocktail. It's a great way to get your collagen. It's a great way to drink some fruit. You can find all of the ingredients that I used today at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like to use collagen. Let me know if you've made any of these recipes. I want to hear from you. Enjoy. It's a really refreshing. It's a really refreshing. It's a really refreshing summer drink, and you get your collagen.